this video, we will show you how to password a folder in Windows 11. In here, you can using WareData Folder Protector to give a password. So, in here, your folder will be secure. You can download WareData Folder Protector. The link we put on the comments, so you can find on that link. To install them, you can install via Microsoft Store or using offline installer. If you want to install via Microsoft Store, you must make sure that your Windows Update is enabled. In here, we can using Windows Update Blocker to check our Windows Update is enabled or not. Okay, then we can just click download WareData Folder Protector, and starting the installation, we will put into desktop. After that, we will running this file. Okay, then this is checking system requirements. Starting download, wait until the downloading is complete. It is just a few seconds. You need to wait of this. Now, after the download is complete, the installing will run perfectly like this. And after the installation is successfully, you can using WareData Folder Protector to start lock your folder or password your folder. For example, we want to try to give password for this folder. Okay, just click lock folder, and then you need to choose desktop and select the folder 100 here and click open. After that, just click this on the blank space here, just click open and give a password. You can give a password 123, for example. Then folder successfully locked, hidden and removed. Okay, you can see when we try to open this folder, okay, it's appear you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Okay, we can just close this, and actually your folder also hidden. In this configuration, my folder not hidden because we already checked the option view and show and hidden items. You can see actually if your default Windows not showing the hidden folder will be hidden like this. And to unlock the folder, you need to make the folder appear by clicking view and click show and click hidden items. After hidden items check, you can see it's back our folder and click unlock. You can unlock the folder and click the folder 100 and click OK. And if you put the wrong password, for example, okay, this is wrong password. But if you put with the right password or correct password, we can open our folder again. Just click OK. Okay, you can also check the log, what folder that you just locked here. For example, in here, I already locked many folder. Okay, this is our last folder that just locked. You can also clear the lock. If this is your privacy, you can just click clear lock and click OK. And make sure when you clear the lock, you remember the location of your folder that you just locked. Because if you forget the folder, you cannot unlock the folder if you don't know the location of the folder that you just locked. Okay, that's all tutorial how to password folder. And if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.